no. My hand is frozen.
What? I'm getting a promotion? Oh, just give me 1 second. Oh no! I accidentally deleted System 32. Damn you, Glove.
Smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, yet people suddenly stop using them whenever it gets too cold. How do we get people to keep using their phones in the cold? At our company, we decided to tackle this problem head-on by developing the Fire, a heated phone case that does away with frozen hands, clunky gloves, and terrible touchscreen interactions like accidentally canceling a call or sending the wrong picture by directly heating your hands. It also doubles as a power bank for when your battery gets low. With all these features, our product is safe, compact, comfortable, and easy to use.